If you like this video, please subscribe. In the onerous annals of history lies the peculiar account of the London beer flood. On October 17, 1814, in the parish of St. Giles, a monumental vat of beer burst open at the Moo & Company brewery. A staggering 323,000 gallons of porter cascaded into the narrow streets. The deluge of beer swiftly engulfed nearby homes and buildings, wreaking havoc on its unsuspecting victims. Tragically, 8 lives were prematurely claimed by this bizarre torrent of alcohol. The incident left a lasting mark on London, prompting debates on industrial safety and regulations. The uproar over the calamity even led to a legal case, with the brewery facing scrutiny over the catastrophic event. The London beer flood stands as a poignant reminder of the unpredictable nature of historical events, where even a seemingly innocuous beverage can turn into a devastating force of nature. See you in the next video.